Music. Want to invest in crypto in Latin America? This Bitso review is for you. Links are below. Bitso is a popular crypto exchange making waves across Latin America. It's a smooth platform for buying, selling, and trading digital assets. A key strength is its Latin American focus. Users in Mexico, Brazil, Argentina, and beyond can access various cryptos with local support, making it super convenient. Trade top cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, plus smaller altcoins. Whether you're a beginner or pro, Bitso offers spot and advanced trading options. Securely store your assets with Bitso's built-in crypto wallet. Earn rewards by staking select cryptocurrencies. Easily deposit and withdraw funds in your local currency using Bitso's fiat gateway, a huge plus for Latin American users. Buy and sell crypto directly with others through P2P transactions. Bitso prioritizes security with two-factor authentication and cold storage for most funds. While generally reliable, some users have reported slower customer support responses. Overall, Bitso is excellent for Latin American users. It's user-friendly, supports local currencies, offers diverse cryptos, boasts robust security, and has an intuitive interface. Perfect for beginners and seasoned traders. Check the description for more info and to sign up.